Do you remember what your best outfit day was? I'm gonna go ahead and share mine. I call your best outfit day is that day and that particular outfit you wore that made you feel like you were untouchable. All eyes were on you and you were ready for it. I remember, I've been blessed. I've had several, but the one that instantly comes to mind, I was in elementary. Oh man, I was in elementary school. I'm gonna say 4th, maybe 5th grade. And my outfit was a sleeveless light blue chambray shirt that tied at the waist, had like little bunny ears tied at the waist, and a pair of black and purple cross color shorts. If you remember cross colors, if you know, leave me a comment. Just like throw up the fist down in the comments. I remember feeling, if you had told me when I wore that outfit, if you had told me I wasn't cute, it would have been hands. We would have squared up right there after we got our juice boxes. I felt so beautiful. I felt so untouchable in that outfit. And I think one of the things I love about being a stylist is creating a closet that makes every woman feel like every day is her best outfit day. And that's what I want for you. That's what we're talking about today. So how do we achieve this best outfit day? Well, first, we're going to go ahead and break down what it is. And that's basically that thing that you put on that makes you feel untouchable. Like if somebody was like, I don't think that's right, you would have no problem standing up for yourself and correcting them. You would not feel timid to ask out the person you had your eye on for a while. You would not feel nervous to speak up and make your opinion or your thoughts known in a meeting or on that Zoom call with the camera on. Yes, the camera's on because you want everyone to see you. You look that fly. You're even getting up and going to the kitchen, leaving the camera on to get a cup of coffee just so people can see how dope you look. Like that's that outfit that we're talking about today. If you haven't picked up on it yet, I firmly believe in the transformative power of clothes. I talk about this with my friends, with my family, with my clients. And I recently had a client. We did a closet audit and mini styling session for her. We used all the pieces she had, and everything we created for her was one of her best outfit looks. When we were done, she had a week, if not 2 weeks, of clothes at the ready that she knew she could jump in, look fabulous, feel fabulous, and was ready to take on her day. One of the things I love about these best outfits is the energy it gives you. When you know you got something you can put on that fits your style, your personality, and says it without words, you're ready to take on anything and everything that comes your way. You may have even tried going through the process of following people or doing things to get to where you can create your best outfits. You have followed different Instagram accounts, you've followed different blogs, you've created buku Pinterest boards, you may have even thrown money at the problem. But here's the thing, if you've followed the trend reports and the different bloggers, you've bought out and bought the pieces you should wear or what's in style, what's in trend, maybe that's not you. So you've spent time and money cultivating a look that doesn't fit you, who you are now, or the woman you want to be. So it's a time suck. You've wasted that time, that energy that you could have put toward creating or discovering your personal style and then sourcing those pieces bit by bit so you create this magnificent wardrobe that makes you just light up every time you open your closet doors. And when it comes to throwing money at the problem, this one is particularly kind of slick, a slippery slope, because you'll look up, have all this stuff in there and, you know, shake your head and say, why'd I buy this? Like, you may rack up debt buying all the things and the pieces that you're supposed to have, like all whatever else. And then when you get it and put them together, you're like, yeah, it looks fine. It's even pretty contemporary, but this isn't me. Why did I do this? And now I got all this stupid consumer debt behind it, and I don't like any of this. I'm still not eager to wear it. So that's why, especially throwing money at the problem, I say pump your brakes before you get to that part and do your homework of who you are, where you're going, where you want to be, so you can spend the money headed in that direction rather than just filling your closets with more stuff and still being unhappy. So why does it even matter dressing, trying to wear a best outfit every day? One, and this applies whether you're a stay-at-home mom, if you are a small business owner and you go out and present a lot, if you are still currently working from home but you present a lot on Zoom meetings, all of these things are relevant to you. First of all, when you look good, you act accordingly. When you look great and feel like you look great, because there's a difference. Sometimes you've looked good but you didn't feel it, and other people would compliment you and you're just like, whatever. We're talking about something that you feel all the way down, that is visually expressed. Look your best, do your best, be your best. It's still a thing. If you're wrangling kids at home and homeschooling them, if you're presenting on a Zoom call, if you're giving a small gathering conference, when you are dressed great, you project more confidence. Another reason to make each day a best outfit day is because it's invariably going to inspire those around you. You may think, no, nobody cares what I have to wear. You'd be amazed. You visually expressing who you are without inhibition may give someone else that push they need to say, you know what? I can go ahead and I can wear that sweater. I can wear that abstract print camisole. I can wear that faux leather A-line skirt, even though it's not for people my size. Like, you'd be amazed at how having someone else in your circle live who they are and how it just gives other people that push they need to follow the same path. That's another reason to make each day your best outfit day. You never know who's watching you, and not in a creepy kind of way, but who's watching you and getting inspiration from the hard work and the diligence you do of being who you are. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's like, look, the world is in free fall right now. There's social unrest and civil wars all over the globe, let alone what's going on in our country. Everything's going haywire, and there's like a 40% chance of rain, and I can't find my umbrella. Does having a best outfit day really matter? Yes. And I can tell you why. If there was no difference, you would not feel the energy between an outfit that makes you feel bomb as fuck and an outfit that makes you feel blech. If there was not an energy shift, you'd put on a potato sack and go out and everything would be perfectly fine. There would be no change in how you see yourself, in your mood, or how you interact with your world based on what you were dressed. You put on whatever and go. So the fact that you feel that energy difference tells you that it matters and that it does something different. Me personally, if I know I look cute and I'll let people merge in front. I'm not just merge in front of me on the highway. They can cut me off and be a jerk. And because I feel so cute in what I'm wearing and how put together I am, I'll just let it roll off my back. I don't normally do that. And if I don't feel cute, you can guarantee I won't. So yes, it affects our mood. It affects how patient we are, how much more willing we're allowing people to, we give much more grace when we feel better. We give it to ourselves. We give it to the people around us. So yes, it does matter. I'm going to give some more reasons why a best outfit day every day is going to help you in whatever you do, but especially if you have shifted and maybe you're not going back to an office position, you're going into your side business full time, like me, or you're going back to the office with a greater drive. Here's some additional reasons why having a best outfit day every day is going to benefit you. One, it ends a layer of credibility and authority. If you've watched more than 3 episodes of American Greed, you know what I'm talking about. How many of those people say, well, he looked the part. She was always, dripped in jewels. He always had these immaculate tailored suits. You know, everything she had was a Givenchy, and it was clothes. You know, every time someone says, well, I listened to them and what they had to say and invested with them or went with them, was because they projected an air of money. They sounded like they knew what they were doing, and they dressed like they knew what they were doing. Don't take it in the direction of the American greed, folks, but definitely use that to reinforce, hey, I know what I'm talking about. I'm on my shit, and I'm not afraid to show it. Another reason is because it teaches how you want people to view you. There's this old adage that says you never get a second chance at a first impression. It's been shown that first impressions are made within the first 6 seconds of meeting someone. One, I think that's nuts that we make snap judgments like that, but for better or for worse, we do. So if we know I'm going into this environment, I'm, you know, encountering this meeting, I'm presenting at this conference, or I'm pitching my services to this group, this person, I want it to count. You want the energy of that best outfit day all over you. You want them to say, oh, okay, she's confident. Let's hear what she has to say. We're not going to talk over her. We're not going to, you know, dismiss her out of hand. She's not here to play. All right, let's go. And a final reason for making each day your best outfit day is it shows you're prepared. 9 times out of 10, you didn't just snatch whatever was in your closet down and throw it on your body for that best outfit day. If you knew you were going into it, you took the time to prepare the night before or even the weekend before. That sets the tone. That's saying, I'm ready. I'm ready to sign new clients. I'm ready to engage with new people. I'm ready to, you know, share my passion and my expertise with those that need it. I am ready to go. Let's get it. Okay, and a bonus of making each day your best outfit day. I wasn't sure I was going to throw this one in, but I'm definitely doing it. A bonus of making each day a best outfit day is because you deserve it. You're doing all the things. You deserve to take time for you just so you're centered. So you make sure that as you get started in your day, you are not clouding your mind with, oh, I don't like the way this fits. Oh, I should have worn something else. Is this even cute on me? I don't know what I should do. Hey, you got this on lock. You know you look good. You project it. You're ready to go. And that's not vanity. That is self-care. That is you taking care of you, making sure that your mind is centered. It's not clouded. It's not anxious behind, what am I wearing? What am I doing? Ugh, I'm a failure. No, you know out the gate you look great, you feel great, you can handle anything because you can. Okay, so now we know it actually matters to dress like each day is your best outfit day. How do you do this? Like, how is it achieved? I'm glad you asked. One of the first things you'll do is swap out your leggings. Listen, leggings have their place. They are not pants. They are not your baseline for bottoms. So what I would say is, because leggings, we have the tendency to get into a rut of saying, well, they're just comfortable. This is the only thing that fits. It can make us not just complacent, but lazy. It can also make us afraid to deal with our body. And we shouldn't be scared of us because it's us. We should always feel comfortable addressing anything that has to do with our frame or our form. So the leggings, get rid of those leggings. Try different leg wear. Does it have to be the classic millennial skinny jean that's so tight you almost hear a suction once it finally releases from your legs? No. I have slim straights that, I mean, I'm thick on bottom, so a lot of stuff fits me that way. That's just what it is. But try different cuts of jeans. Try different materials. Try palazzo pants. And if you're hobbit size the way I am, you can just get them hemmed so you still have the same flowy, gauzy feel and the print that you like, but you're not, you know, stepping on your pants and face planting all the time. But leggings, swap out those leggings for like different cuts or different fabrics or different colors of pants. Wide leg trousers, ankle crops, palazzo pants, joggers. There are so many options beyond leggings that when you find, you won't just find one, you're going to find 2 or 3. And every time you get those, that's another brick in that wall for your best outfit day. So 1 is get rid of the leggings. Second thing you can do to make sure each day is the best outfit day is add a layer, or at a minimum an additional piece. Whenever you put on like a t-shirt and jeans or work pants and a blouse, that's not an outfit. That's just clothes. Clothes are great. Clothes are necessary so you don't get a ticket, so you don't have to talk to the police. But it's not a look. It's not an outfit. Adding that additional piece, add a kimono, add a sleeveless blazer, a cardigan, a duster. I love those. It doesn't even have to be something like this. It can be adding a neck kerchief on top of that white tee and jeans. It can be a hat. It can be an embellished headband. It can be a belt. It can be a belt. Those pieces, just adding something as simple as an ornate belt to that t-shirt and jeans combo is going to elevate your look. It's going to instantly add polish, give it pop, and give you a visual point. So if we want to improve our look, make it a best outfit day, add an additional piece. Sky's the limit. Mix and match, mix it up, play, find what works for you, but work in that additional piece and see how that changes your vibe. Okay, and the third step in making sure each outfit is part of your best outfit day is find a fabulous fit. Fit is fundamental. If you find your jeans are too long at the hems, or they're sagging at the knees, or they're puckering at the crotch, if your top is so tight that you feel if you stretch you're gonna hulk out of it, that's a sign of an improper fit. For the tops, go up a size, look for different seaming, see if it's more curved in the waistline, so that's going to give you a more hourglass fit, but still give you space across the shoulders. Find a good tailor. Find a simple tailor, especially if it's like hemming or taking in the waist of your jeans or your pants. You can find a local dry cleaner that can normally do that. So making sure that each piece fits. Sometimes it's off the rack, sometimes it's not, but paying that extra $10 or $15 to get it tailored to make it look like it was completely hand cut and sewn for your body is going to give you that impeccable fit that's going to make everything sit on you and your frame as it should. And then we can focus on, you know, adding that additional piece and mixing things up. But those 3 pieces, if you can nail those, hemming your pants, taking in the waist, adding a neckerchief, throwing on a kimono, and finding a different fit instead of leggings, get, you know, big people pants instead of leggings, you're going to see such a change in how you carry yourself, how you feel about yourself, and how you feel about getting dressed each day, that you'll have best outfit days back to back, and it won't be something that happens every once in a while. It will become the norm for you. Go ahead and leave us below. What is your best outfit day? When was it? Was it grade school? Was it junior high? Was it last week? Let us know. Tell us what it was so we can all share and encourage each other. Yeah, that's all I have. If you want to work with me, I've got my details in the description box down below. You can email me. You can get at me on Instagram. Follow me over there also because, you know, that's fun. I always love meeting new folks. And yeah, also anytime I post about dogs, you'll see it over there too. So that's what I have for you today, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.